Hi, I hope you had a great break and a wonderful J term. I'm really looking forward to having this class together, especially taking a class online. I've taught many classes online and I've never taken one, so this is exciting. My name is Ashley Cartel Johnson. I prefer to go by Ashley. A little bit about my professional life to start. I am in my 10th year, which is sort of hard for me to believe, teaching at Miami. I'm a Miami and Ohio State alumna. I teach, advise, and coordinate in our inclusive special education program, which is great. It's the same program where I earned my initial degree, and I also coordinate our disability studies program. This is a picture from my very first year teaching when I graduated from Miami. The thing that I love about this picture is that several of my students from when I was teaching middle school are now college-age students, and they come spend a week with me every summer in my inclusive university program. So this program is my baby. It's my sort of North Star of where I want to go in my career here at Miami. I want to develop a full-time inclusive program for students labeled with intellectual disability to be Miami students. And so every summer we spend a week living on campus, learning on campus. I teach a disability studies course that's modified from our disability studies minor. It's a lot of fun every summer. And so I'm in my third year as a part-time student in the LCC program. Most of my research interests have been sparked by my inclusive university program, but really what I want to focus my scholarship on is looking at issues related to access and inclusion in higher ed. I've recently started doing some writing with my students, my disabled students, and found that to be a really powerful experience. So much of the scholarship that you read in special education or around disability is written about individuals in the disabled community, and so it's really important to me as I move forward in my academic and scholarly career to make sure that I'm writing with students and privileging their stories and their voices. A little bit about me personally. My husband Drew and I have two daughters, Isabel and Lucy, and they are beautiful and strong and often a bit wild. My husband and I run Reserve Run Family Farm, and we raise meat to sell to local restaurants and grocery stores. We also raise crops here on our farm. We raise, our main animal that we raise are cattle, but we also raise goats and sheep and pigs and chicken. We raise both meat chicken and egg-laying chickens, and those are more of our production animals. We breed our animals here, so it's really fun. We always have babies. Right now we have 19 kids. Our goats all kidded in the last couple weeks, and we have 7 baby lambs. We had 2 calves that were recently born, so we've been busy over J-term. But we also raise llamas. They help protect our herd. We have some miniature horses as well. So our farm keeps us really busy, but it's a really, really wonderful place to live. Of all the animals, I think cows are my favorite. This was my little bottle baby, Lewis, from the summer. So my favorite movie, musician, director all sort of coalesces into one film, which is The Life Aquatic by Steve Zissou. And I thought I would wrap up with my favorite quote from that film. He says, "This is an adventure." I feel like everything in my life is an adventure, and engaging in the EDL doctoral program has been nothing but an adventure. So again, looking forward to the semester with you, and hope you have a great rest of the week.